This is unfortunately, I don't know how to speak it. It's a story of everybody of us because almost no, maybe no, I don't know, but probably most of you have some friends who already died, and it shouldn't be so soon. That's the song about this. It's called Welcome Loneliness.
Čierne tiene v tvojom mozgu Boha nie sú iba v tvojom mozgu.
Pretože každý, keď zomre, tak je šťastný. I don't know. I wanted to play something with this harmonica. Harmonica fell down. I don't know. Maybe it's a sign. You shouldn't play. I don't know. I believe in this kind of stuff, so I don't play now. It's some... Okay. Fuck the symbols. Exactly. This song is again, but it's your pity because this song is again in Slovak. But I will tell you what it's about. I know this is not the right harmonica. This one, Waiting in the Dark, yes, this one. It's a song called Bicycle vracia úder, which means the bicycle strikes back. Yes, exactly this means. And it's about
bicycles.
It's about vandalism and doing bad things to the chauffeurs who are not nice. It's against stupid chauffeurs, stupid drivers. This song is again stupid drivers in sometimes big cars, sometimes I don't know. It's against this kind of stupid people.
chodia po lesoch, proti bezohľadným málo veľkých čípoch. A keď to nejde inak, tak pôjde to po zlom. Bicykel vracia úderu, deň za úderom. A jasný autka všetkým, bez tým šoférom. Počúvajte, chruďovia, cesty patria bicyklom. Bicykloví bojovníci